Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is access. 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 Access is a noun that refers to the ability or permission to enter, use, or retrieve something. It signifies the means or opportunity to reach, interact with, or obtain something. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The library offers free access to a vast collection of books and resources. Why access is used in example number 1. Access is used to convey that the library provides the opportunity to use a wide range of books and resources without charge. Example number 2. The keycard grants access to the building's restricted areas. Why access is used in example number 2. Access signifies that the keycard provides the means to enter and use the building's restricted areas. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.